Hello everyone, my name is Nurin Izzati binti Azhar. My metric number is 300613. Today I'm going to talk about my journal article titled Effect of Activity-Based Costing on the Productivity of Manufacturing Company. Basically, the journal explains how it helps manufacturing company improve their productivity. As we all know, traditional costing method use one factor like labor's hours to allocate overhead costs. This often give inaccurate result leading to mispricing and inefficiencies. So, ABC fixed this by using multiple cost drivers which allocate costs based on specific activities. This gives businesses a clear understanding of their operation and true costs. A study on manufacturing company showed that ABC increased efficiency by focusing on activity that add value and cutting down on waste. For example, cost driver fitness make sure that costs are properly linked to the activity that use resources, which is help company to improve their processes. Accurate cost calculation reduce mistake and provide reliable data for pricing and decision. Also, cost reporting helps businesses to plan and manage operation more effectively while improving their performance. However, implementing ABC has challenges. It requires resources, training, and changes in how people work. So basically, employees might resist to it. So, strong support from management and involving staff are key to success this ABC. Next, to make ABC work, companies should train employees to understand its benefits, monitor processes to remove wasteful activities, and ensure costs are calculated accurately. Furthermore, timely and useful cost reporting is also essential for better planning and control. In conclusion, ABC is more than just a costing method. It is a strategic tool that helps companies stay competitive by improving efficiency and productivity. Overall, adopting ABC ensures a correct cost, better decision making, and long-term success. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafiqah binti Yahya, nama metric G00473. Today, I will talk about my journal articles titled Factors Influencing the Implementation of Activity-Based Costing, a study on Malaysian SMEs. It is the study by Sudashini Nair and Sintan which examines the key factors affecting the adoption of activity-based costing among small and medium-sized enterprises in Malaysia. C is highlighted as a management accounting system that allocates costs to products and services based on resource consumption, offering greater precision in cost management and profitability analysis. The research conducted using data from 200 SMEs in Selangor, Malaysia, revealed that all four factors have a significant positive influence on ABC adoption, with the external environment and cost-saving mechanism showing the strongest correlation. The study identifies four main factors influencing ABC implementation, which are the external environment, cost-saving mechanism, user attitudes, and company size. The external environment, driven by market competition and globalization, compels SME to adopt ABC to streamline an operation and stay competitive. Cost-saving mechanisms such as Total Quality Management (TQM) are shown to complement ABC, improving operational transparency and resource allocation. Positive user attitudes bolstered by training and awareness program play a critical role in successful ABC adoption, while company size impacts the availability of resources for implementation, which larger firms generally more equipped to adopt the system. The study highlights the benefit of ABC, including enhanced cost control, better financial performance, and improved competitiveness. However, challenges such as limited awareness, training, and resources hinder its widespread implementation among SMEs. To address this issue, the authors recommend expanding the geographical scope of future research, incorporating additional influencing factors like leadership and technology, and conducting longitudinal studies. In conclusion, this research underscores the importance of understanding these factors for successful ABC adoption, providing valuable insights for policymakers, SME and management accounting practitioners. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Afida binti Muhammad Zafir. My metric number is 300680, and today I will discuss the implementation of activity-based costing or ABC as outlined from the article Activity-Based Costing Implementation Challenges and Success Factors. This method is an innovative approach to allocating costs in organization and has proven more effective than traditional costing system, especially in complex and modern business. By the end of the presentation, you will understand what ABC is, its benefits, challenges to implementation, success strategies, and its real-world applications. Activity-based costing, or ABC, is a costing methodology that assigns overhead costs to products and services based on the actual activities and resources consumed during production. Unlike traditional costing, which spreads overhead costs evenly, ABC focuses on identifying the cost drivers, which is the specific activities responsible for incurring costs. For example, in a manufacturing firm, activities like setup, machining, and packaging all consume resources differently. ABC assigns costs to products based on how much they use each activity, leading to more accurate cost calculations. So, why should organizations adopt ABC? The article highlights several key benefits. The first one is improved cost accuracy. ABC provides a precise understanding of where and how costs are incurred. And the second one is the better decision making. Managers can identify unprofitable products, streamline operation, and eliminate wasteful activities. And the third one is enhanced profitability analysis. By analyzing activity costs, companies can identify opportunities to reduce costs and boost profitability. Despite its benefits, implementing ABC comes with several major challenges. And the first one is resistance to change. People are used to doing things a certain way, so they might be hesitant to try something new. Second, complex data collection. ABC needs detailed information about all the activities and resources in a company. This can take a lot of time and effort. And next is lack of management support. Without strong leadership commitment, ABC project often fails. And the next one is integration issues. Merging ABC with existing systems is technically complex and requires collaboration across departments like finance and IT. The next one is employee training. Staff may lack the skills to effectively use ABC. Overcoming these challenges requires strategic planning and commitment. The article outlines several success factors. The first one is strong leadership. Leaders need to actively support ABC and make sure the company has the resources to make it happen. Second one is clear communication. Educating employees on the benefits of ABC reduces resistance and builds organizational support. Third one is cross-functional collaboration. Teams across departments like finance, IT, and operations should collaborate to ensure effective implementation. And the next one is training programs. Employees need both technical skills and behavioral adjustment to adapt to ABC system. And the next one is continuous monitoring. Companies need to regularly check how ABC is working so they can make improvement as they go. Now, how is ABC applied in the real world? The article provides examples of industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and services where ABC has improved cost management. In Australia, an oil and gas company used ABC to better understand costs and improve decision making. Strong leadership and teamwork were key to their success. Next is the South African Post Office. Had some initial struggles but eventually used ABC to improve their cost management. The next one is in Malaysia palm oil industry. Companies have adopted ABC to better manage the cost of processes like planning, harvesting, and refining palm oil. By identifying high-cost activities and reducing waste, they have improved their profitability while maintaining sustainability. In conclusion, ABC is a powerful tool to understanding costs more accurately. Yes, there are challenges like resistance to change and collecting all the necessary data, but with strong leadership, teamwork, and proper training, those challenges can be overcome. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding of ABC and its importance.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Musab Al-Amoudi and my MATIC number is 297231. Today I'll be discussing the implementation and benefits of activity-based costing or ABC in a Portuguese manufacturing company with a specific focus on coffee capsules production. This case study highlights how ABC can transform cost management and decision making in a complex production environment. Let's start with some context. Companies today face intense global competition, forcing them to optimize cost and improve efficiency. Traditional costing systems often misallocate cost, especially in diverse product company sharing common resources. This misallocation can lead to poor decisions. To address this, the ABC system was developed. Unlike traditional costing systems, ABC link cost to activities, then to products, using what we call cost drivers, which provide more accurate and actionable insights. The company in focus produced roasted coffee, coffee capsules, and market beverage. Their challenge was the complex of allocation, shared resources like labor, equipment, and facilities across different products. To tackle this, the ABC system was introduced, which involved two main phases. The first phase, resources like building rent and energy and labor were assigned to specific activities or tasks. For example, coffee roasting, blending, grinding, and encapsulation were clearly mapped. The second phase, these activities then linked to specific products, particularly the coffee capsules, using measurable cost drivers like the kilograms of coffee produced or the units of coffee capsules produced. The analysis revealed some critical findings. The major cost contributors for the coffee capsules were the green coffee at 28.9, empty capsule at 28.7, and packaging materials at 24.8. Among the activities, packaging and semi-finished packaging were the most intensive, consuming 23.8 and 18.5 of total manufacturing expenses, respectively. These detail insights the company and allow them to pinpoint the inefficiencies in the company and improving the area that it should be improved. Overall, implementing the ABC system or activity-based costing system provided several benefits for the company. It helped the company to set more accurate prices to its products. It also enables the company to identify the places that it should put more attention on it to improve the efficiency. Lastly, it enabled the restructuring of certain operations to better align with business goals. By providing these details, activity-based costing system proved to the world that it's a powerful tool to enhance the decision-making in a competitive environment. In conclusion, this case study demonstrates how ABC or activity-based cost system can help companies in manage their shared resource effectively, optimize costs, and improve operational efficiency. It's a reminder that in today's dynamic markets, precise and strategic management isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Thank you, everyone.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salim Abdurrahim Bagadir. My matric number 284185. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting a case study on the implementation of activity-based costing (ABC) in manufacturing, specifically applied to XYZ company, a glass bottle manufacturer facing same fact challenge. This study highlights how adopting ABC led to cost reduction and process improvements. Let me give you some background about it. XYZ company experienced a 51% drop in sales over 2 years, driven by increased competition and efficiencies and in production. their reliance on traditional cost accounting (TCA) and increased forecasting method led to overproduction and inventory build up. To address these issues, ABC was introduced as alternative costing method to identify influences and hidden cost. Okay, what is activity-based costing ABC? ABC allocated cost based on specific activity, specifically between value added and non-value added processes. Unlike TCA, which generalizes cost, ABC offers precise insight by breaking down indirect cost and linking them to activities. Well, it's a more complex and costly to implement. It provides a clearer picture of cost drivers and efficiency. Key findings. Through value stream mapping (VCM), the team identified inefficient such as long idle times and bottlenecks in quality inspection. For example, the manual inspection process slowed down production significantly. By adopting ABC and upgrading to automated inspection machine, the company reduced cycle time by 14% and improved efficiency by 2.7%. Result and impact. After implementing ABC, the total cost per bottle dropped by 8.94% from 0.01957 kd to 0.0178 kd. The company identified high cost areas like direct materials for 2% of total cost and negotiation with suppliers to reduce costs by eliminating non-value added activities. Citizens inspection XYZ company improved production flow and reduced waste. In conclusion, ABC proved to be an transformative tool for XYZ company, enabling them to pinpoint infection and achieve significant cost reductions. This case demonstrates how integrating advanced costing method with process optimization can enhance factoring performance and competitive. Thank you for your attention. I'm happy to answer any question.
Hello everyone, my name is Hazar Iqmal bin Azmin. My metric number is 294537, and today I'm going to be doing an article review which is called Factors Influencing Activity-Based Costing, which is written by Zhang Yifei and Che Rohana from the Faculty of Business and Accountancy, University Malaya. The article titled Factors Influencing Activity-Based Costing Success, a Review, begins by emphasizing the critical role of accurate costing information in the competitiveness and advanced manufacturing environment of modern businesses. Activity-based costing (ABC) is introduced as a revolutionary management accounting tool that is argued to outperform traditional volume-based costing system. ABC allocates costs more accurately to products and services through activity-based drivers, aiding managers in making strategic decisions such as pricing, product mix, and process improvements. The introduction highlights challenges with ABC implementation, including difficulties faced by the firms during the adoption, with some abandoning it entirely due to unsuccessful execution. The authors aim to address these challenges by reviewing studies conducted between 1995 and 2008 to identify factors Early studies on ABC adoption concentrated on technical factors such as identifying activities, selecting cost drivers, and addressing data-related challenges. However, research by Shields 1995 found no significant relationship between technical variables and ABC success. Scholars argue that the overemphasis will move on into the contextual, behavioral, and organizational variables. Recognizing the limitations of focus solely on technical aspects, researchers begin exploring behavioral, organizational, and conceptual factors, which is number one is the top management support, which is identified as a key determinant of ABC success across multiple studies. Secondly is the training and resources. Providing adequate training and linking ABC to performance evaluation and strategic goals were found to enhance implementation. Thirdly is the organizational structure and culture. Factors such as formalization, centralization, and compatibility with existing systems influence ABC success differently at various stages. Lastly is the employee involvement and satisfaction. Studies indicated that employee satisfaction with ABC is positively correlated with quality of objective and the quality of information provided. Several studies segmented ABC implementation into stages such as initiation, adoption, adaptation, and acceptance, with different factors playing crucial roles at each stage. For instance, in earlier stages, contextual factors like market competition and organizational size were more influential. In later stages, behavioral and organizational factors such as managerial support and employee engagement became critical. Cultural difference also emerged. As article, there has been a few research gaps that have been highlighted in ABC research, which is, firstly, is the limited focus on developing countries. Most studies were conducted in developed nations with insufficient attention to the challenges and dynamics in developing countries, particularly in Asia. Secondly is the impact of the organization structure and culture. Few studies empirically examine how these factors influence ABC success. Thirdly is the national culture as a variable. Comparative studies across countries are rare, leaving a gap in understanding how cultural differences shape ABC adaptation and implementation. Authors have highlighted the key recommendations for future researchers, which is firstly is focus on developing countries. The majority of studies have been conducted in developed countries, creating a bias in understanding ABC success. The authors recommend prioritizing research in developing nations, especially in Asia, where cultural and economic conditions might yield different findings regarding ABC adoption and implementation. Secondly is the investigating the interplay of organizational structure, culture, and national cultures in ABC success. The influence of national culture on ABC success remains underexplored. While some studies have noted differences in outcome between collectivist and individualist cultures, the author argued that comparative studies across multiple countries are necessary to fully understand this dynamic. There is also a deeper need for empirical studies examining how internal organizational culture and structural factors such as hierarchy, communication flows, and decision-making processes influences ABC success. And lastly, is the performing cross-national comparisons to understand how cultural dimensions affect ABC implementation. The author suggests adopting case study methods to provide rich insights into the ABC implementation success. The authors also recommend doing cross-national case study could help uncover unique variables that affect ABC outcomes in diverse countries. In conclusion, the authors emphasize that ABC research has largely focused on behavioral and organizational variables with limited attention to contextual and cultural dimensions. They advocate for a more integrated approach that combines technical, organizational, behavioral, and cultural factors to provide a comprehensive understanding of what drives ABC to success. By addressing these gaps, future studies can contribute to both academic theory and practical applications, helping firms achieve more successful implementations of ABC system.